Be kind of gentle, but you may open. Well, I'll tell you, she's very scared because she's in a new place, so she's been scared.
Can you help me unwrap
But we'll hold her.
Where did you get her?
At the pet store. Hey. Well, yes, it's a present.
Mom, what type of hamster is it?
It's a guinea pig.
I mean, guinea pig is it?
I don't know what type. Are there types? Oh, it's a short-haired, I know that.
Oh, this is so cool.
Here, hold on. Now, just remember what I said because she's scared, okay? Hold on.